Congrats, bro. You passed AWS Solutions Architect Associate. That's not a small achievement. You put in the hours, battled through the subnet storage classes, exam stress, and you made it. But passing the SAA exam is only the first door you have opened. What you do next, that's what is going to decide whether you actually build a cloud career or just tack another certificate and get stuck. Let's talk about the smart moves that you should be doing or making right now. So, pausing is not equal to practical skills. First thing you have to understand, passing the exam tests knowledge, but the real world it tests building. Knowing definition services, white papers is good, but can you actually spin up an easy to and secure it? Can you create a VPC with two subnets and route traffic properly? Can you host a website on S3, put a CloudFront distribution in front of it, and set up a paper policies? That's where the real cloud engineers are made. My honest advice: smart small. So launch a simple, easy to use security group. Create a custom VPC manually, not using the default. Set up a basic public-private subnet architecture. Don't wait for a big project. Build small, build messy, and build often. Choose your next path. Second thing now is the time to specialize a little. AWS is huge. SAA gives you the basic across 50 plus services, but the job market doesn't want generalists. Pick one cloud path and go deeper. If you like building pipelines, automations, go towards DevOps. Learn Terraform, Jenkins, Code Pipeline, ECS. If you enjoy serverless apps and rapid scaling, go towards serverless, master Lambda, DynamoDB, and even Bridge. If you love infrastructure and networking, go towards advanced networking, transit gateways, direct connect, and hybrid architecture. Becoming great at even one of this makes you super valuable. Think like an architect. Next, start thinking like an architect. It's easy to deploy one EC2 server. It's harder to design a system that survives failure, minimizes cost, and scales for traffic spikes. Start focusing on four things: high availability, disaster recovery, cost optimization, resilient architecture. Remember, in interview, they don't ask what is EC2. They ask design a three-tier app for 10 million users. How will you keep it online and cheap? Start answering that questions every day. So, fourth step, begin preparing for real world interviews. You're not just studying anymore, you're solving. So, how to design a secure VPC? What happens if an AZ fails? How would you optimize cost for a batch running every night? Take your projects, put them on a whiteboard, explain them aloud like you're teaching a friend. The more you explain, the more you actually know. So the final motivation and finally the real talk. Passing SAA is the door open, but skill is walking through it. If you just stop after getting the certification, you'll forget off the services in next 2 months. If you start building today, even a small project, your learning curve explodes. So don't relax, don't think I'm done. You're not done, you're just started. Let's build something real. I hope I have added some value. Thank you so much for watching.